everyone, welcome back to Slime Time, and I'm not at the table, but I did, hold up. Okay, restart. Hey guys, welcome back to Slime Time, and today I have a slime to show you that I have made. And it was supposed to be white on the top, but I guess it like kind of bled through anyway. But this is the first time I made one of these like types of slimes. See, I'm gonna show you. And I made this like an hour ago. Because I was trying to make one of those avalanche slimes since I didn't have any clear glue. But yeah, this is it. And you can see like the avalanche effect. I know you're supposed to leave it out for like 24 hours. But yeah, I kind of like don't want to mess with it. It's like jiggly. And I did put white on the top. Oh my god. Is it like glossy? Oh, okay. I'm gonna do like an Asmir, so yeah. God, I don't want to mess it up. I mean, like, these are like really cool slimes. Yeah, I give up. Sorry, that is my dog, because a plumber is here. And yeah, this is so sweet. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, I had to like show a video on Snapchat before I like ruined the slime that I worked so hard on. So, yeah, I don't know what to do with this slime. I don't want to ruin it. Like, I made it for a reason, you know? Oh my lord! It is so beautiful. This one like is more jiggly, while this one isn't. Lord, I have made a blessing. Oh, well. That is so cool. This is like my dream come true slime. It's mostly blue, but now it's like purple. It's like unicorn slime. This is what happens when it's all mixed. And it makes beautiful colors, which I'll add shaving foam to it. So let me get some shaving foam. Okay. So I'm gonna use this. Yeah, it's like... And then you spread it and it turns into foam. Yeah? I'm busy! Okay guys, so I have to mix the foam. Yeah, this is going to be a fluffy slime. Well, now it is. It used to not be, but now it is. So yeah, it didn't have a choice. I made its choice. And now it's all purple. It was mostly blue. I used the skin therapy. I used shaving foam for your legs. And yeah, that was my mom calling me. She called my name. Annoying. But yeah, so that is my slime. Since it's all mixed together now, we're going to do an Asmir. So yeah. So I do it like up close. Cause like, so to seem like it's big. yeah, and that was that. I'll do another Asmir. Ignore my knuckles. But yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. And let me do a front face view. Thank you guys for watching my video. And yeah. Me. Set that can right there. So yeah, that's the slime I made. I might make one of these again in the future, but with clear glue and white glue. Cause like I learned how to make it today. So yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and it's like not that stretchy as much anymore. But I don't really care. But yeah. So hit the hit the bell icon to be part of the notification squad, or subscribe to be part of the Subby squad, or just do both and comment down below if you're any of those with a hashtag, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Even though people don't comment on my videos as much, I'm still going to do that. So yeah, and this is a case I put it in, and it's obviously not going to fit because I don't know. It did fit earlier. Okay guys, now you're gonna watch how I get this in. So yeah, I will do it. Guys, this is not the end of the video like I said. How did the bottle cap? Okay. Anyway, yeah, I'm just trying to get this in. Even though it won't fit. Oh wait, maybe it will, because obviously I made it fit, so like, yeah. Oh, it did fit! It fits! Yes! So yeah, there is my slime and it fits. So yeah, peace, bye! Stay tuned for my next video. And yeah, comment down below what slimes I should make next. And yeah, so peace, peace, peace! I might make glossy slime next, but yeah. Bye guys, bye!